Hello everyone. I create this song by myself to express my feelings and my pain caused by my own family, by me, of course. And I will start it. My family loves me when I was a child. But now I think that they hate me. I don't know why. Why they hate me? But it's okay that everyone's made a mistake and deserve a second chance. And I made a mistake too, but I was trying to change it. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry everyone that I made a mistake, that you all hate me now. Because of that, I was in my pain and I was crying alone in my room. Sorry about this, everyone, if I write this song. But I really want to express my feelings. Before I continue this, I want to say something. I love my family right now, and I always will. I never felt this before. Not this heart hating me, but it's okay. You know that I never been in this situation, but I never forgive myself too. But my one wish is to